Hi guys, welcome back to the Music School. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add unique repetitions to your MIDI notes by using the note repeater effect in Logic Pro X. So let's get started. So to start off, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the MIDI Effect section and I'm going to add this particular MIDI effect that says note repeater. This is a very simple and very easy to use MIDI effect. Like the name suggests, the note is going to repeat every time you play a particular note depending on 3 different variations. The first one is the number of repetitions that you're going to add. So right now there are a total of 3 repetitions that are going to take place. This highlighted color is basically your root note. So I can change the repetition by turning this particular knob into how many I want to. For this example, I'm going to set at 12. I can also transpose. Transpose is another word for changing the pitch of the delay of the odd of the repeat here. So I'm going to transpose it to lower octave, taking into the negative values, or I can transpose it to higher octave, taking it to the positive values. For this particular example, I'm going to set it at -12. The next thing is a really cool thing, which is basically velocity ramp, which controls the volume of individual notes that are being repeated. So I'm going to create a downward velocity ramp. For this example, you can also do an upward if you wish, but for this one I'm going to set it like this. The next thing here is the delay time. For this example, I'm going to leave it as it is. If you want, you can go ahead and you can change the delay time according to your taste. So let me demonstrate now. I'm just going to open up my virtual keyboard by using the shortcut Command K, and I'm just going to play one note, and you'll notice that that single note will get repeated 12 times, and it'll also pitch down, and the velocity will also go in downward direction. This is with the note repeat. Now let me do the same thing without the note repeat. I'm going to turn off the MIDI effect. So you can see now the notes are not repeating themselves. So this is a really cool MIDI effect to use, especially when you're composing a melody, to add some really nice character to your melody. So I hope you all found this video useful. For more interesting videos, make sure you check out our YouTube channel. And we wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. And I'll see you guys until next time.